Are you ready to redefine your Jeep Gladiator experience? In today's video, we're diving into the ultimate guide to finding the best tonneau cover that seamlessly blends style, functionality, and unparalleled protection. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a weekend warrior, or simply want to elevate your Gladiator's rugged charm, the right tonneau cover is essential. Imagine safeguarding your gear from the elements while enhancing your truck's bold aesthetics. From sleek designs to advanced locking systems, we'll explore top contenders that promise durability and ease of use. Stick with us as we unveil the standout options that will transform your Gladiator into a true powerhouse. Get ready to hit the road with confidence. Let's jump right in. Number 7. OED Rose Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the ultimate solution for Jeep Gladiator owners looking for reliability and style. Compatible with 2020 to 2025 models and designed for fleet-side 5-foot beds, this cover provides a perfect fit that transforms your truck bed into a secure storage area. Thanks to its tailgate locking system, your gear is fully protected from the elements, completely snowproof and dustproof. The heavy-duty double-layer PVC construction offers UV protection, while the pre-assembled powder-coated rails ensure easy installation without the need for extra tools or drilling. Perfect for those who prioritize convenience and aesthetics. The OED Rose tonneau cover also features waterproof strips for all-around protection, enhancing both security and peace of mind, whether you're hauling work equipment or outdoor gear. This cover stands up to the challenge, making it the best tonneau cover for Jeep Gladiator enthusiasts. Enjoy a smooth installation process and give your truck the quality it deserves with OED Rose. Number 6. One-Eye Retractable Hard Tonneau Cover. Designed specifically for a perfect 5 feet, 60.3-inch bed fit. Made from durable aluminum with a sleek matte black powder-coated finish. This cover combines style with functionality while offering scratch and UV protection. Its impressive waterproof and dust-proof rating of IP56 ensures your cargo stays dry and safe in all weather conditions. With an integrated rail system, you can easily enhance your truck bed storage capacity using T-slot rack accessories. The easy-to-use full-width handle and convenient pull strap eliminate the hassle of climbing into your bed to access the cover, thanks to the no-drilling installation and pre-installed cargo light. Setup is a breeze. Plus, One-Eye offers a lifetime warranty against factory defects, giving you confidence in your investment. Ideal for anyone searching for the best tonneau cover for the Jeep Gladiator. The One-Eye cover perfectly balances quality, innovation, and convenience at an affordable price. Number 5. Bistwil Automatic Retract Hard Tonneau Cover. Designed exclusively for 2020 to 2025 models with a 5-foot bed. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy, this low-profile cover combines style and functionality while ensuring seamless compatibility with your vehicle's automatic tailgate feature. Installation is a breeze, taking only 30 to 60 minutes with clear instructions and technical support available. Enjoy the convenience of automatic retraction. Simply unlock and watch the cover slide away, freeing your hands for other tasks. With a unique 3-position hover feature, loading oversized items is easier than ever. Engineered for the toughest conditions, this cover offers ultimate protection against the elements through its water management system and sturdy design, ensuring a virtually leak-proof experience. Additionally, the Trax rail system allows for easy customization with various truck rack accessories. Bistwil stands behind its product with over 11 years of dedication to superior service, making this the best tonneau cover for your Jeep Gladiator. Number 4. Autosaver 88 has delivered an exceptional soft roll-up truck bed tonneau cover, specifically engineered for the Jeep Gladiator 2020 to 2025. This cover is a game-changer, providing compatibility for both the 5-foot bed with or without a trail rail system. Installation is a breeze with no drill clamps and clear instructions, allowing you to secure it effortlessly. The water-repellent design features arched crossbars that guide water away, ensuring no accumulation and protecting your cargo from potential damage. Built to last, its double-layer PVC cover resists tears and abrasions, while the sturdy aluminum framework maintains durability. The innovative tension and latch system guarantees a snug fit, preventing wrinkles and folds, making it perfect for any weather condition. The Autosaver 88 Soft Roll-Up Tonneau Cover is the ultimate choice when searching for the best tonneau cover for Jeep Gladiator enthusiasts who value style, protection, and easy access to their truck bed. Number 3. Rough Country presents the Hard Trifold Truck Bed Cover. Designed specifically for the Jeep Gladiator JT 2020 to 2024. This 5-foot tonneau cover provides full truck bed access with an innovative flip-up design, making it effortless to load and unload larger items. Crafted from durable, lightweight aluminum, it features a resilient powder coat finish that resists corrosion and scratches, ensuring longevity and a sleek appearance in any weather condition. Not only does it offer unmatched protection with an advanced water drainage system and premium weather seals that prevent leaks, but also allows you to drive confidently with your cargo secure. Thanks to the auto-latching and nylon safety straps, the low-profile, flush-mounted aluminum panels add a modern touch, enhancing your truck's aesthetics while providing maximum versatility. Choose to drive with it fully open, 2/3 open, or closed. Installation is a breeze with no drilling or tools required, and it's protected by Rough Country's 5-year warranty, making it the best tonneau cover for Jeep Gladiator enthusiasts. Number 2. Tiger Auto T1 Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the ultimate solution for 2020 to 2025 Jeep Gladiator JT owners with a 5-foot, 60-inch bed. This cover showcases a U.S. patented design, crafted from heavy-duty 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl that guarantees durability and functionality. Equipped with built-in horizontal crossbars, it provides robust support when laid flat and conveniently rolls up to offer full bed access. The aircraft-grade aluminum side rails and stainless steel clamps ensure secure mounting, making installation a breeze with no drilling required. Plus, the Velcro strip and latch lock system at the tailgate delivers superior seals to safeguard your cargo against the elements. The adjustable tension system keeps the cover tight and wrinkle-free, no matter the weather conditions. For Jeep Gladiator owners seeking the best tonneau cover, the Tiger Auto T1 is an exceptional choice, backed by a limited lifetime warranty for U.S. customers. Transform your truck bed experience with this sleek, reliable, and practical solution. Number 1. Real Truck BK Revolver X4S is the ultimate tonneau cover for your Jeep Gladiator. Specifically designed for the 5-foot bed, 60.3-inch models from 2020 to 2025. This product exudes style and strength with its all-matte black exterior finish, combined with industrial-grade vinyl and aluminum slats for exceptional durability. What sets the Revolver X4S apart is its convenient one-hand operation. Simply pull down on the tailgate cable to unlock and roll. The well-engineered design conceals the aluminum underbody, ensuring safety during operation. Moreover, you'll appreciate the all-access feature, allowing the cover to roll smoothly and store tightly against the cab, providing full access to your truck bed without any visibility obstruction. If you're searching for the best tonneau cover for Jeep Gladiator, the BK Revolver X4S stands out for its functionality, durability, and sleek aesthetics. Enhance your trucking experience while protecting your gear with this top-tier accessory made in the USA with global materials. In conclusion, choosing the best tonneau cover for your Jeep Gladiator can significantly enhance both its functionality and style. Whether you prioritize durability, ease of installation, or sleek design, there's an option that fits your needs perfectly. Remember to consider your lifestyle and how you plan to use your truck. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share your thoughts below. Happy adventuring with your Gladiator.